If you want to run ads on Meta, your first step is going to be setting up a business suite. A business suite is something that holds all your business assets together. For example, your Facebook page, your Instagram account, ad account, pixel, and all your team members who have access to your Facebook page and also to run your ads. So in this video, we are going to do a quick step-by-step tutorial walking you through on how to set up a new business account. It's going to be super simple, so follow along, and it's going to take about 5 or 10 minutes. Your first step has to be going to business.facebook.com/select. And here you are going to see if your personal Facebook account is assigned to any other businesses, because maybe you already have a business, you just forgot it. So check if you have any of these businesses that you can start using and start connecting ad accounts to. If not, you can create a new business. But in my example, I already reached the number of businesses that I can create or launch. You can also create a business portfolio by going to business.facebook.com, clicking on the top left corner on the drop down, and then here at the bottom you can create a business portfolio. And then this is the same story, quite simple. You just need to enter your business portfolio's name, your contact information, and then you go ahead and create it. And next step, we can set up the ad accounts, connect the Facebook pages and the pixel and everything else. So in this example, we are going to accept an invitation to a business manager. So here's an email that you'll receive. You've been invited to join a business account, an enterprise. There's different words to say it, but you usually have 30 days until the invitation expires, and you can log in to view invitation. So this is a 3-step process. You need to log in to view the invitation. You need to continue with Facebook. You can also create a new account or continue with Instagram. I just do Facebook. Enter your first name and last name. This will be what everyone will see inside the business portfolio. So I just do my own name. You don't need to receive the marketing messages. Let's just continue. Again, here we can continue. This is just information about the business that I'm joining. Since this is a brand new business manager, there's no information here. And then we need to review and accept the invitation. So let's just accept it. And then you'll have to enter your password for Facebook. Once you submit, it's going to take a couple seconds to load and finish. And this is the first tab you see. Now, there's not available selections, so you just need to go to settings. And then we are going to set up everything from zero in this video. So let's look at the menu options. On the left side, we have business information at the top. This is where you can enter your business legal name, your address, your business phone and website. Then it's super important to verify your business. So if you are running for yourself, it's fine. But if you have a legit business, you need to verify. So upload your business details, your address, your tax number and everything. And then here's your ad account creation limit. For now, since it's new, we only have one. And then here are the notifications. Now I don't really want to get these notifications, so I just remove these, and here's your information at the bottom. Next, under users, you are going to see, so this is drop down, you can close it and open it. Under people, you are going to see everyone who's inside the business portfolio with their access. You can see your partners, and under accounts, we need to add Facebook pages. So we can request access to a Facebook page, which I'm going to request access to my business page. And you can also create a new one. If you create a new Facebook page, you just need to enter the name, the category, the bio, and then you confirm the changes and you are ready to go. In my example, I'm going to request access. So this is going to be Wupscale, and let's add it. And I want to get partial access. So let's confirm. And it was automatically approved because my Facebook account already has control of the Wupscale page. So we are done here. You just need to assign yourself whenever you add a new asset. So click assign people, select yourself, and then let's grant partial access and assign. Now we are done with the Facebook page. The next step is going to be creating an ad account. So for this, just head to ad accounts and then click the add button. Here we are going to create a new ad account. This one I'm going to start from zero. Ad account name is going to be whatever makes sense to you. My time zone is going to be Europe, but I'll leave the currency in USD. Ad account name is going to be Meta Ads Systems, and just go next. This is going to be for my business, and I agree. that is going to be added to my business portfolio, and we accept the terms and we'll follow the advertising policies. All right, so in the meantime, I jumped into a different business portfolio and also it's another day. But here's a new ad account I started. So I just named it business ad account. And the first step should be here. So again, it's on the left side from the accounts list ad account. You need to assign people to the ad account. So in this case, it's best to just assign yourself. So click assign people and then let's give yourself full access. Then hit assign. And once we are done here, let's go to payment methods. And here you have to set up your card, your payment method. So just click here, payment methods on the right side. Let's fill out business location and currency, and then business and tax information before you add a card. All right, I just added my business information. So let's hit next, and then you need to add your card details. Once you add your card, they might contact your bank, so you need to verify it with your phone app. Or in this example, I'm using a Revolut card, so I just get a notification in my app. And after this, your card is verified and it's ready to use. So now we can set up campaigns inside the ad account. So on the left side, click on this icon. This is going to bring up your campaigns. And here you can create your campaigns. You can click on this green button or here in the top left corner. Also, you can head over to this section on the left side. This is account overview. And it's going to tell you if there's some more information you need to add. Maybe connect a Facebook page that we just did earlier, or verify your phone number, maybe send a text message like in this example here. So I already verified my email address. We just added a payment method. We just need to create a Facebook page. But since we already connected the Facebook page earlier, we just need to confirm. And then whenever we do the setup, it's going to show up. So let's go and continue here. And here we can set up our first campaign, engagement, sales campaign. I'll show this in another video. I have plenty of ad setup tutorials. Let's go to business settings here on the bottom left corner, and let's go back to business.facebook.com and then select the settings on the bottom left corner. This is going to take us back to the business portfolio. So here we are inside Wupscale, and we are just going to keep going and add everything that we need. Under Instagram accounts, you can also add new Instagram accounts, but if your Facebook page and Instagram account is connected, then you don't need to worry about this. This is going to be available inside the ad manager. But here you can also just click add, and then you see the notification that only professional Instagram accounts can be added. So you need to be either a business or a creator account. You can't connect a personal account here. And then you can just add, and you are going to have to log in. So just your password and username. And then the same story, make sure to assign people and assign yourself with control to the Instagram page. Next, if you are planning to run ads, we need to go to data sources and then set up catalogs if you have an e-commerce campaign, so you can connect Shopify to pull your catalogs. And you can also head over to datasets and pixels. So here is the pixel that you can set up to track your information. Now, every pixel setup is different. It's different if you have a school community, different if you are running ads on a high-level funnel, and different for Shopify as well. So I have tutorials on all of that. You can check my account for more. But to set up a new pixel, again, you just need to go to Add on the top right corner. It's super easy. You just need to name it and then select any special categories. If it's financial, politics, religion-based, maybe if you are running real estate ads, it's going to be housing, or if you are a loan officer, then it's going to be finance. So make sure to read the About section about the categories. Once you create a new pixel, for example, here I have the Wupscale pixel, you see there's nobody assigned to this. So again, the same story, click on Assign People and give yourself full control. And then what is important is go to Connected Assets and make sure your pixel is connected to an ad account. So it's already connected to my ad account, but you can just connect assets, click on Other Business Assets, and here you can select any ad account that you want to use. So for example, I'll connect my Skool pixel to a new ad account that I just created, which is going to be your business ad account. So let's connect it, and this is done. And basically those are the main parts of setting up a new business suite. You need a Facebook page, an Instagram page, an ad account, payment method connected, and the dataset and pixel connected. So now you can start running ads to your website, to your school page. Something that's important to mention here is this business portfolio is already verified. So if I go to, on the left side, scroll down to Security Center, and if I scroll down, you see the organization. You see this is already verified under my name and business details, and also under business information on the left top. You'll see that I have my tax ID, my legal business name, my address and phone number. So everything's verified here and we are good to run the ads. So that's all for today, just a quick tutorial on how to get started with your business portfolio. Next, if you want to see tutorials on how to actually start running ads, how to set up your pixel, check out my channel for more. Subscribe, comment for next ideas on video topics, and I'll see you in the next one.